Hi, my name's Mark. I'm going to be talking about how widely used motion graphics is in the media sector. As you can see the footage behind me right now, this is an example of motion graphics and what the kind of things you can do with it. One of the programs used, that I personally use in college, is After Effects, but there is also other programs you can use such as Cinema 4D. Anyway, let's start the show.
Then the BR symbol's opacity on the periodic table starts to change and are increased so that it becomes more solid and less faded. And the BA symbol is also highlighted and then moves under the BR. The rest of the words Breaking Bad then fade in also using the opacity. Motion graphics that are used in this video are the words that fade in and out or fly off and onto the screen. The way in which the words fade in and out is by changing the opacity of the word from lower to higher to make it completely faded or to solid. The way in which the words move on and off the screen is by changing the coordinates of the X and Y axis, which will move the words from up, down, left, right, horizontal or diagonal. The motion graphics that are used in this video are the words that fly past in the beginning and the tunnel at the end. The way in which the words have the backdrop would be by using the preset effect drop shadow and making it very bold. And then the way in which the words move is the same as in the last video by changing the X and Y axis or using a preset effect. Towards the end, when the tunnel comes in, this will be created by making a 3D looking tunnel so that it gives the idea that you're going through the tunnel. The last little bit of motion graphics at the very end is when the words fly in, which would have been the same, done in a similar way to the other text. The motion graphics that is used in this video is when the character is looking at the ceiling and then all the tiles start to disappear using a preset animation effect called card swipe. In this video, the motion graphics is the red stream that is stretching across the screen, hitting each of the antennas. The way in which this could be done is by creating a red tube and then stretching it across the screen by changing the width so that it gives us the impression that it is moving and stretching across.